Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door hinge screw on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because you've got a screw missing or damaged. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So as you can see here from the outside, you can see the hinges. So we're going to open up the door. So we've got the two hinges, and you can see on each hinge there's two screws that are into the frame of the dryer, and then there's two screws that go into the door. So as you can see here, we're missing a screw that goes into the door, and that needs to obviously be replaced. So you can grab your new OEM replacement door hinge screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put the screw in, we're just using a Phillips head screwdriver. And once you make sure that it's in there nice and tight, now you can just test out your door, make sure it properly closes and opens the right way. And it looks like everything's fine. So your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.